Hi, welcome to this Yes We Do This episode. I am Jean-Luc, Sales and Marketing Coordinator here at WolfTech. Today for our showcase project, we are looking at another version of our horizontal strapper, also tailored for the brick industry. For this project, the goal was to be able to secure a single brick layer within 15 seconds of cycle time, and also to position the strap at 1.5 inch from the conveyor top. For the frame motion, we went with a cam design driven by this 5 horsepower Nord gear motor. This solution offers great advantages like being super fast while maintaining precision, and let's not forget about the reduced preventive maintenance needs if you compare with the chain-driven systems. For the arch itself, we needed to go with a lightweight version, deleting the strap guide pneumatic system and also moving the track work at the very bottom of the C channel. And we also had to modify our moving head mechanism to an electric motor instead of the pneumatic cylinder. On that, we used our GT41 strapping head, which is applying strap tension via the torque regulation mode of the VFD. This method allows for easy to adjust and more reliable tension control while also reducing the preventive maintenance requirements. They also got the floating head mechanism, which enhanced the strap tension distribution around each of the brick layers. Brick industries being very dusty, we also added the automatic dust blower system in the strapping head to reduce the need for manual dust removal. Okay, so let's take a look at it in action. Well, we're now at the end of this episode. Please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have regarding all of our load containment solutions. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and see you in the next one.